The arrival of the Ducati Desmo450 MX marks a monumental occasion in the history of the legendary Italian motorcycle manufacturer. For the first time since the early 1970s with the 450T, Ducati has ventured back into the fiercely competitive world of motocross with a purpose-built machine that carries the weight of the Desmodromic legacy. This isn't a mere branding exercise. The Desmo450 MX is a ground-up development, conceived with the singular focus of conquering the demanding tracks of the motocross world. The 2025 Ducati XDiavel V4 isn't just an evolution, it's a revolution in the power cruiser segment. Building upon the legacy of the XDiavel, this new iteration takes everything to the next level, seamlessly blending breathtaking performance, striking aesthetics, and cutting-edge technology. It's a motorcycle that defies categorization, a machine that's as exhilarating to ride as it is captivating to behold. The XDiavel V4 isn't simply a cruiser, it's a statement, a testament to Ducati's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of motorcycle engineering and design. It's a fusion of raw power, refined elegance, and technological sophistication, creating an unparalleled riding experience. The new 2025 Ducati Streetfighter V4 arrives as a further evolution of the fight formula, pushing the boundaries of what a hyper-naked motorcycle can be. It's a machine born from the fierce DNA of the Panigale V4 superbike, stripped down to its aggressive essentials, yet refined to offer an even more engaging and, remarkably, more accessible riding experience. Ducati's relentless pursuit of performance and rider connection is evident in every facet of this updated model, from its re-engineered chassis and potent engine to its sophisticated electronics package. The 2025 Streetfighter V4 aims to solidify its position as the ultimate naked superbike, appealing to riders who crave raw power and precise handling, but also desire enhanced control and comfort for both road and track.